All right, Jeep enthusiast community, as you might have heard, we are now also selling rolling chassis. This is the first of our CJ series, the Scrambler chassis, which we'll dive into right now. The start of it all is this chassis, which is built to the same specs as the other Vigilante chassis. Fully boxed, front to back, same drivetrain selection, your 392 485 horsepower under the hood. Automatic transmission comes standard, and an Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly transfer case. In the back, Dana 60, brand new axle. In the front, brand new Dana 44 axle. 4-link suspension all around. 6-piston brakes at each wheel. Wheels are the same selection as you will find on the Cherokees and the J-trucks. So if you want to build a bold and solid Jeep CJ8 or Scrambler on your own in your garage, this is the perfect foundation that you need. We deliver these just as rolling chassis. They can be shipped to your door, pre-powder coated, or with full drivetrain configurations on there that you just need to drop your body on there and personalize it to your taste. So if you like this chassis as much as we do, check out jeepheritage.com or reach out info@jeepheritage.com for if you have any questions. And also, if you want to give us some feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support and have a great day.